Howdy Philbaka, how's it going? About to start ads and then I'll get started. I'm doing alright. It's very cold where I am. But aside from that, I'm alright. Been stuck inside since we got a bunch of snow over the weekend. Haven't left the house in a few days, but aside from that, we're good. Had a lot of fun finishing up my randomizer on Saturday. Yeah, that was fun. It was funny how thorough it was, but I just made all the episodes, or all the parts of my randomizer run public on my YouTube channel. If you missed any of it and want to get caught up on it, I put it all in a playlist. I'll post the playlist here in case you want to see it. Nice. Alright, I think the ads are done, so let's hop over here. Hello. Alright, I'm trying to remember what we were working on last week. Some stuff for being able to pick things up, and we were having some problems. No. Let's see, you have this cube. The cube thinks I picked it up, but it's acting like I didn't pick it up. And we were having issues where sometimes it would just like throw the cube off into the distance for no discernible reason. Alright, let's see. Yeah, this is fun. Part 30. So we've been doing this for roughly 15 weeks at this point, give or take. Alright. Pick up. Look up. Pick up. Okay, so let's see. You can say pickupable dot set. No, just should be a. So we should, if we set freeze to true, it should make it so the thing is no longer affected by physics. At least from what I understand of it. Okay, that seems right. And we're getting the... Okay, let's see. Freeze false. There. So why... Let's see. Need to go into the player. And we have our picker upper here. It's got a remote transform. So if I run this, and I go to the remote, and drop down here, we find links, we find our picker upper, and we have pickup follower. It has no remote path right now, which is what we would expect. And now if we go over here and we hit pickup, it set it to the test pickupable, but it is not updating for some reason. Coordinates. Okay, and now it's gone. Where'd it go? Its position is that. Not sure where that would be on the map, but it seems like it's gone. Let's go back in here and set it back to true. It seems like it's still gone. It's sleeping. But it's can sleep is false? That's weird. Okay, let's pop in here. So let's go in the picker upper. And we will not add the and we'll see what happens now. If it still flies off into the distance. Okay, does not fly off into the distance. What? That was weird. Why did it move up like that? Did it? Oh, probably because I tried to. Sort of an improvement? Okay. It's an improvement that it's not flying away. Okay, we do have errors, I think. Okay, never mind. That's the thing with the camera. Wait, that's... I'm going to get rid of this remote path stuff. Keep forgetting how to do tweens. Where was it? It was interactable. Get tree.create tool. Property is called position. Let's see the final or the. Let's see. Final value is pickup location. Global position, and the duration is now it's flying away. Why am I doing that? Okay, it looks like rigid bodies have a function called integrate forces. And I think I can use that to disable physics. So if we go into pick up a bowl, we can have func integrate forces, and it takes so we can have a use physics true. We can say if use physics state dot integrate forces. And then in our pick up method, we can say physics equal to false. Nope, it's still flying off into the abyss. Lots of really old forum posts that are archived. Maybe this isn't what I want. Okay, if you need to place a rigid body once, you can look at the methods, just like global transform and look at. However, the methods cannot be called every frame, or the physics engine will not be able to correct simulate. Forces or apply impulses or set the velocity. So we could say, update position, okay, hold on. say if desired position is not equal to vector 3 dot 0. I think that just changes like the physics frame rate of the object. Let's see. Position delta is equal to global position minus desired position. And that's a vector 3. And so then we'll have a desired velocity equal to desired position divided by we'll just say desired position right now, and then we'll say state velocity equal to desired velocity. This is probably gonna do some weird stuff. So then in the picker upper, rather than tweening the global position, desired position, let me say pick up. We're not actually using the use physics right now. Okay, hold on. So it did look like it tweened. Right. No. Why is it that spot? I currently don't, because I think I want to keep it frozen. Maybe I don't actually. What happens if we don't freeze it at all? still move it. But it has no gravity? That's weird. Where is my pickup location? Okay, it's above the player's head. So if, instead of setting the linear velocity, what if we say apply force oh yeah, good call. It shouldn't matter since it was the same place and same in both, but yes, I should fix that. And then let's see, in the picker upper, we do let's see. And then instead of tweeting it there, we want to physics process, and we'll say if current pickupable is not equal to null, current pickupable dot desired position is equal to Lookup location. Position, global position. And then on both drop and throw, we need to say current pickupable is null. Some remote digging. See what's going on. Alright, remote. Picker upper. Current picker up. Pickupable is null. Okay, it's still null. Why is it still null? Okay, it's not null now. Thorin, that's very loud. Sorry about that. Neighbor dog is barking and Thorin did not like it. Alright. Pickupable. Current pickupable is null. Debug. Here's one. Okay, is this. Okay, continue. And then. Remote. And that is. So why is that not changing each frame? have a current pickupable? Current pickable is not null. Current pickable is not desired position is pickup location dot global position. We do have let's see. Picker upper does have a pickup location, and it is set to that. I wonder if because the picker upper isn't a node 3D, it's having some weirdness. What if I change this to a node 3D? Pickup is null. Oh. But yeah, I think this might be part of the reason why it was breaking. Okay, let's... Because I think what was happening is because pickup follow was the child of a node that wasn't a node 3D, it wasn't actually moving, and so this was always staying in the same place, like the same global position. Which seems a little silly. Alright, I know it's a little bit early for ads, but I need to take a quick break. Be right back. And I will run ads and be back shortly. Alright. I am back. Okay, so now that the picker-upper is actually 3D and not just a generic node, okay, we can get rid of this whole use physics thing because it's basically the same thing as freeze as far as I can tell. So if that, just gonna throw a return here. I don't care that that stuff's inaccessible. Comment that out for now, and we'll try our tween thing again. And then we say tween property, pickupable, global position, pickup location, global position, and 0.25. Why doesn't it like that? It wants this to be a string for some reason. Alright. So this should at least not yeet it off into space, because I think what was happening was it was setting its Oh, okay. I think the interactor's reference to picker-upper got broken because I changed it from a node to a node 3D. Okay, cool. That works. That did exactly what I expected it to do. And now, and after that tween is done, you can say yeah, I got a box. Current pickupable was pickupable, and then or no, hold on. I don't think we even need to do this physics process thing because we have the remote transform. So we say pickup location dot remote path is equal to pickup. And now that should make it so yeah, there we go. That's what I was trying to do the whole time. But we do need to make it so it only does this after after the tween is done. So we'll say let's see, tween dot callback And then also between callback. Our remote path is equal to node get path. And then we'll just say set remote and then pick up. Why doesn't it like that? I know I can do this because ow. It's so silly. I feel like this is more complicated than it needs to be. What? There we go. There we go. We have a thing that we picked up. Now we need to be able to throw it. Yeah, so the big gotcha here was that the picker-upper was inheriting from Node and not Node 3D. Very good to know that a remote transform, if it is parented underneath a non-3D node, then it basically just is a static position that doesn't change, even if the grandparent node is a 3D node. Guess that makes sense, but was not immediately intuitive. Cool. So now let's see if node no this else location remote path is equal to nothing. So we could let's see. So there's a few things we can do here now to figure out if we should drop or throw the pick-upable. So we could do it like Ocarina of Time, where if you're standing still, you drop it, and if you're moving, then you throw it. And then Wind Waker, it when you're picking up an object, it will give you both the option to drop and throw it based on different button presses. So just for grins, we have our bomb, and it already extends rigid body. So we could, instead of making it extend rigid body, we can make it extend pick upable. And I don't think we need to make any changes to that. But now we can theoretically, if we spawn a bomb, should have been able to pick it up. I think I might need to change the layer that the collider is on the bomb. Let's see. Bomb. If we, let's see, collision. If we put it on layer 4. Yeah, we can pick up bombs now. We can't drop them or throw them, so it's very dangerous to pick them up. No, that was weird. Why did I do that? So now we should make it so when we spawn a bomb, it automatically picks it up. Oh, okay, I see what happened. I think we need to make the bomb not on layer 1. That way, no, it does need to be on layer 1. I need to figure out something to make it so the raycast from the player that like figures out if you should jump is not affected by pickupables. Let's so we do need to make the bomb dropper aware of the picker-upper. So we assign the picker-upper to the bomb dropper. Nice. So it does weird stuff if you change. If I just keep dropping bombs. Okay, so before we do any of that, we do want to make sure that in our bomb dropper script, we say if picker-upper dot current pickupable is not equal to null, we return. That way we won't spawn bombs when we're already holding something. Yeah. So now if I pick this up, that's weird, that shouldn't have happened. Oh, we're not, I think I did all that stuff to set up the current pickupable and then I got rid of it. Current pickupable equal to pickup. Go. And then we just need to set up the drop and throw. So now I pick this up, it won't let me drop a bomb, which is kind of bad when I don't have a way to get rid of it. It's like that one Batman movie. Some days you just can't get rid of a bomb. But I can get a new bomb once the current bomb explodes. Cool. Progress. Okay, so let's just say for fun, in interactor so we can say, before we do any of that, we can say pickupable dot interact text is equal to up. We'll do the same thing on throw, and then also pick up interact x is equal to row. And then I guess we want this to also have a reference to the interactor. And we can say current interactable is equal to current pickup. Okay, I didn't actually sign it, so obviously it's gonna break. Sign interactor. Something got very messed up. Okay, let's see. Convert. That probably happened because something what is it not liking it? Okay, that's fine. Clear. Okay, let's see. I actually think this is not how we want to do it. So in the interactor script, begin interaction. Interacting state. Okay, so I think I need to do something with the interact state. trying to remember how I even set up the interaction state stuff. Let's look at the treasure chest. On interactor.begin interaction. Okay. Treasure chest. Let me look in here. It's got an on interact. And then this has timer timeout. Open. So yeah, I guess I kind of screwed something up with the interaction state for the treasure chest, because it never actually, I don't think it ever actually sets it back to, okay, let's see. So we have current interaction state is 0. If we walk up to the treasure chest and open it, it will set it to 2, which is opening the chest, but I don't think it ever sets it back to 0. No, it doesn't. Okay, interesting. And the sign doesn't use the interaction state thing at all. So that was kind of like a half-cooked system. So like, we could, in here we could say var interactor, or current interactor, and then we say current interactor equal. And then we say current interactor is equal to interactor. And then here we say current interactor dot end interaction. And I guess just pass it 0. If I hop back in the remote, look at the interactor, where 0, which is idle, 2 is opening a chest, and then it goes back to 0 when it's done. Something broke though, because I'm still locked in. So what? Animation player. Open. Use open string. Oh no, this needs to be in the don't remember how we were transitioning back to the idle state in the treasure chest. It seems like it had to do with the oh, okay, I see. It's in the so I don't need to do this actually, because I have an actual player state for opening the chest. That's how I was doing it. So instead of doing that, we will say interactor So have export var interactor. I don't think we need this idle state anymore. We just say interactor dot end interaction 0. And that should put us back in the idle player state. And I never actually assigned it. Keep doing that. I'm very silly. Interactor. Okay, cool. So it's working the same way it was working before, but now if we look at the remote, grab our interactor, interaction state is 0. Interaction state is 2. Back to 0. Okay. Which is what we expected. Okay, current interactable doesn't look like it's ever getting set. Why is that? Interactor. Current interactable. chest again. Okay, so on interacted, begin the interaction. I don't think this is actually doing anything, so let's just get rid of that. Simplify our code a little bit. That was weird. That's a fun bad state to put the player in. Yeah, thanks for hanging out, D-Bray. Have a good dinner. So you want the pick upable. Pick upable is the thing that's aware of the interactor. Now we can actually say interactor dot begin interaction. Interactor dot interaction state pick up. This isn't actually working the way I thought it was going to, because I can only pass the interaction state. I can't pass the interactable itself. We can have process or physics process. And we can say if current interaction state is equal to interaction state dot pickup. If picker upper pick upable is not null. If current interactable is not equal null, or if it is equal null, then we'll set it to picker upper dot current pickupable. think I got into this weird state where the remote transform that the pickups follow was attached to a bomb that had already exploded. Let's look at the remote for the interactor. Current interactables, no. Okay, why did that not? Yeah, picker upper. Picker upper. Does have a current pickup. Oh, I'm silly. I just said, I'm just referencing it, I'm not actually setting it. So we say current interactable is equal to picker upper dot current picker upable. With a bomb. I want to do it with just a regular object. Alright, so remote interactor. Current interactable is that. That's null. That's that. We pick it up. It's still that. Let's see if current interaction state is equal to interactions. It's not equal to interaction state dot pickup. So we only want to return out of there if the current interaction state is not pickup. So I think that's causing the problem where it's not letting us interact with it again because it's already... It's okay, I got it. double check there, and we just say, regardless, set it to the pickup. Okay, we are getting the pickup. Okay, I see. Current interact, multi-interact. So the problem right now is in the pickupable, it's always just calling pickup. So here, I guess we can say if interactor dot current or dot picker upper current pickupable is not equal to self. Pickup else interactor dot picker upper dot throw. Okay. So it did change to red, so it that's weird. Okay, let's see. What are we missing? Picker. Oh, we're not, we gotta clear the remote. Set remote, do nothing. Gotta do it on both these. Okay. It works with this. We can throw a cube. Why isn't it working with the bomb? I wonder. So I'm not sure why it's not changing back to white when I... Oh, okay, never mind. I know why. It only does that when I drop it. Okay, well, let's go in with the bomb then. Okay. I don't know why it's working now when it wasn't before. That's interesting. Aw, yeah. I don't think I want the bombs to roll, though. I thought I had set it so they wouldn't. Okay, I think I need to add more upward force and less forward force. But I like where it's going. Yeah, they roll way too much. Yeah. Some bowling pins could be fun. Okay, let's okay, so right now it's set to 12. We can bump this down to like 8. Okay, so it looks like I have to have picked something up at least once before I can throw what I currently have picked up. So we'll add like half of the forward to the up. It's a little better. Okay, I think I might be wrong, but I think in the palm rigid body I can lock those, and that should make it not roll at all. Yeah, that's a lot more like Wind Waker. Or just Zelda in general. Cool, we can throw bombs now. That's awesome. It's fun. I need to figure out why I'm also rolling when I'm throwing the bombs. Yeah, it might just be because there's not like anything overriding the Okay, I do need to make sure that if a bomb blows up while it's being held, it fixes the pick-upper. Whoa. Okay, I need to make sure that let's see. Gotta make sure that throwing removes the the current pickup. It should have done that there. No, I think the reason I'm rolling is because I didn't set up a state in the player controller for handling picked up objects. Okay, I think I borked something real weird. Did I inadvertently make a boomerang? That is one of the items I wanted to make. Alright. Okay, I see. We do need to, in our interactor, yeah, it could be a fishing rod, could be a lot of things. So the problem is right now, let's see, so what's happening is current interactable is not let's see. I guess I can say in pickupable, when we throw, we can say interactor.current interactable is equal to null. So that should fix the throwing and like pulling it back automatically. One thing I might look into as well is increasing the friction on the bombs so they stop sooner. I don't entirely know how to do that in Godot. Also, okay, that wall just doesn't have collision. I was like, why is my bomb just going right through the wall? Alright, we are about to have ads, so I'm gonna go ahead and run the ad break, and then I think I'm gonna wrap up after the ads. Do you want to figure out why it wasn't letting me throw the bombs that like the first bomb that I spawned? Why it doesn't let me? And I'm guessing it's because the first bomb never gets registered with the interactable system. Ads are done. I just want to figure out why my so if I set the label to throw, so it's pickup right now, it should be throw. I'm guessing what's happening is interactor. Okay, so if we're setting it here, we should also say we should also hide it when it's thrown. Okay, so what if we change this to bomb inst dot interact, and we pass in instead of picker upper, we'll set this to interactor. So we do want to keep the picker upper. I guess we'll also have a reference to the interactor. Now we get the throw icon when we spawn a bomb from our inventory. We do need to clear it out after the throw is done, though. Upable. Let's say interactor dot action button hide. I don't know if we need to hide it. I think we. Well, let's see. Let's see. Okay, I think we just want to get rid of the text. Cool. So we can pick up and we can throw. So I still need to work on like dropping and like animations for when you pick stuff up and throw it, but this is like, it's looking really good for basically only having put in like 4 hours of work on the pick up and throw system. I'm pretty happy with it. And the fact that it was able to like so easily interact with the bombs, so you can throw the bombs. It's cool. Anyway, this has been very fun. Let's figure out who we can raid today. Alright. Astrodity's been streaming for about as long as we have. Let's see. I mean, we can always raid Barry. Or let's see if there's anybody else streaming some game dev stuff that could be cool. Ooh, we have Stayed McMuffin. Wow, they've been up for a long time. They're making an Armored Core clone in Godot. That sounds cool. They've been live for almost 23 hours though. That's a lot. Hey, why not? We'll raid Astrodiety. She's working on some animations and yapping, so that sounds fun. We'll go raid Dighty. All right, have a good one. I'll be back on Thursday. Bye.